Let's go.
And your hairstyles are the same.
This
I want to change now.
What do you call that hairstyle?
Hi, Pony.
Hi, pony. Hi, pony.
Oh!
Pony. You call that hi, pony.
Hi, Pony.
What is it again?
Pony. Hi, Pony.
So guys, ginaganon ko siya. Let's go next.
I used to have my pony also. Over here. I need to receive it.
Pak, pak. Paborito ko pang sige.
Yeah, now I'm a unicorn. I used to be a pony, but now I'm a unicorn.
Dapat kasi. Ayun. Sayang, napasok ko yung... Ipasok ko siya.
Ate kuya.
Yeah, but we're so happy that you're here.
Hindi mo siya, hindi ko siya makikita. Pero kita, goodbye guys.